All right, guys, so why am I in New York for the very first time ever? Well, I'm at Empire Ford in Huntington on Long Island, and later this week, Friday afternoon and Saturday, all day long, we're doing a meet and greet event where you can come hang out with me and see some Maxlider Broncos on display. Bronco Raptor, fully loaded Bronco Badlands. They've got live music, they've got food trucks, they've got tons of giveaways, one every hour as a matter of fact, and you can come test drive one of our Broncos live in person and you can buy one. They're both for sale. Or you can place your order for a different color. Whatever you want to do, you got to come hang out with me Friday afternoon and Saturday. It's going to be a great time. In the meantime, I'm taking that bad boy into the Hamptons for the next couple days, and I'm going to go show it off to a couple customers. So if you see me out there, flag me down, say hi. Would love to show you what we're all about. He likes Broncos too, don't you, buddy?
So do you like Broncos?
Maybe not.
Ford Broncos?
He's a Mustang guy. No offense.